So Tim, exciting times ahead. You've joined TDT Technology. What excites you most about this role?
Well, I think it's a great opportunity. We've got a great range of machines here at TDT, some big brands, some good opportunities going forward. So yeah, it's going to be interesting times.
Any of the brands excite you more than the rest?
Well, I think they've got a great brand spread of machines from the Feeler, who do a range of machines from small lathes up to some fairly big horizontal borers. But the CAFO range of machines, the double column machines, they've got a great brand there, well engineered, well established machines.
Yeah, some of the KFO machines have put a lot of machines out there, haven't they? There's quite a few in the UK, and it's getting good feedback.
Yeah, I've obviously been looking at the advertising and that from afar, and yeah, you can clearly see they're making some big inroads with that product range.
And I know you guys are at MAC. Where can you be found?
We're in Hall 19, and it's stand 590.
Great. See you next week.
Yeah, indeed. Looking forward to it.